This is the 7th generation all-purpose household cleaner. I've recently purchased this in the lemon chamomile scent, which has a very light, clean scent. Previously, I've been using the fragrance-free one, which is also a great alternative if you are a little bit sensitive to smells. But even with the lemon chamomile scent, there's no artificial fragrances, no chemicals, and it is 95% plant-based. I've bought this brand for quite some time. I use a lot of products from them, but I was just going to demonstrate how easily it does clean our countertops. Now we do have a quartz countertop. It is safe, I believe, on every single standard type of surface. So I mainly purchased this to clean my kitchen. It's streak-free. Like I said, it leaves a very nice, clean scent. It does come in a fragrance-free option if you prefer that. But overall, really satisfied. It leaves my countertops looking super shiny and clean.